Jim, I hold Q&A sessions on Twitter all the time, and
they're great.
Thank you. I'm glad I didn't know you look
great.
at them. But every single time I get at least once the exact same question: what book should I read to learn about stocks? And I always say, just flush your money down the toilet, because there are no books. And anybody who's going to try to day trade or do this or compete against Stevie Cohen or Warren Buffett, just throw your money away. But Jim, honestly, I read this book. Everybody should read this book and then make their decision about how to invest, because this actually is about investing. It's the only book that covers it from sector analysis, economic analysis. It's economic independent, tells you how to maybe swing trade, tells you how to look at CEOs, tells you how to look at fundamentals. You even covered charts, which last time we talked you hated charts.
I did. I had to change, James. I had to go with the times.
So what should people do? Can people invest in stocks?
Yes, absolutely. This is a book about, first of all, there's many mistakes that I've made that you're not going to make, okay? And those mistakes are all about trying to understand why certain stocks trade where they do. This is a book about why does your stock do what it does? Because you don't know why it does, and I have thought about it. James, this book took forever to write. It ruined 2 summers, not one, but 2 summers. It wrecked relationships. It tore me asunder from staff people. It literally was the love of my life and the hate of my life, because all I wanted to do was figure out how a stock went from 9 to 10.
Yeah. Well, your analysis of Goldman Sachs is very important. You bought that, I think you mentioned you bought that around 230. Right. It goes down to 50. But it was a great analysis, though, that a lot of a stock's going to do what the sector's going to do. But then you give an interesting analysis. Look at what the sector's doing, then pick out the good spots.
Don't buy the ETF. Pick out the best one with the ETF. But yes, I mean, here I was, like, just talking to Stephanie Link, who's the co-portfolio manager of Action Alerts. I'm saying, Goldman's better. Goldman's better. What are they? Goldman. Jim, it doesn't matter. It's in an index. Stop it. Stop it. Yes, you can buy Goldman and short the index, and I recommend that. But the whole point is you got to stop fighting why a stock is where it is. Whether it be you're fighting Amazon, whether it's because you're fighting Goldman. Stop fighting. Understand what the market is saying. The market's not wrong. You're wrong. I'm wrong. I'm wrong when I say the market's wrong.
This is a lot better than my strategy, which is hope and prayer.
No, your strategy has been to make money for people for years and to be playing with it open. Look, the fact that you like this book says I did a good book, because you have been true north about trying to help people. True north.
Thank you.
There's never been a moment where you were anything, and anytime I know you've defended me, you've promoted me, and I'd like to think that I've been with you, but it's always the same litmus test. Is it helping people make money? If you think this is helping people make money, I wrote a good book.